বন্ধুরা, গোপা চক্রবর্তী আর আজকে নিয়ে এলাম আপনাদের জন্য 84th এপিসোড। প্রচুর দিন সঙ্গে আছি, আস্তে আস্তে করে আমরা জিনিস তৈরি করছি। একটু স্লো কাজ হচ্ছে আমার এখন সিচুয়েশন অনুযায়ী, এবার হয়তো একটু ফাস্টার মুভমেন্ট হতেও পারে। লেটস হোপ। কীভাবে কী করব, আজ আমি কিছু কটন শাড়ি এনেছি, কিন্তু দে আর অল হ্যান্ড এমব্রয়ডার্ড। সেই কটনগুলো আমি আপনাদের দেখাবো। শাড়ি নাম্বার 1, এগুলো সব কটনেই দেখাচ্ছি আমি, কিন্তু শাড়িগুলো দে আর অল অন কটনস। নাম্বার 1, শাড়ি নাম্বার 1, দে আর অল হ্যান্ড এমব্রয়ডার্ড, পার্সি স্টিচেস করা হয়েছে, হ্যান্ড এমব্রয়ডারি। দেখুন, এগুলো হ্যান্ড এমব্রয়ডারি করা হয়েছে। This is the achal section. All throughout the saree goes like this. Number 1, কালারটা খুব উজ্জ্বল, vibrant color, beautiful one. Turn to the other half, odikta dekhao ma. Yeah, there are a lot of booties also along with the whole saree. প্রচুর বুটি করা হয়েছে, they are all hand embroidered ones, and it has a blouse section also. It's on this side. ব্লাউজ আছে, দুটো হাতায় আবার এমব্রয়ডারি করা আছে। Look at this yellow and the silver gray looks fantastic, bold combination. This is going for 3600, a cotton saree which has been highlighted with this grey piping. This is going for 3600 dear. This is another cotton, number 2. প্রচুর কটন শাড়ি করানো হয়, 9 মাস আমাদের গ্রীষ্ম প্রধান দেশ, তাই কটনস অলওয়েজ ইন ডিমান্ড। কটনসের প্রচুর শাড়ি হয় আমাদের তৈরি। কালার স্কিম দেখুন, গ্রিন হাউসের এটাই পপুলারিটি, কালার স্কিম অ্যান্ড দ্য বর্ডার লাইনিং, দ্য স্মল পাইপিং টু হাইলাইট দিস কালার। This is going for 3600. Same blouse concept has been given. The blouse is on this side. You can use the embroidery and you can use any other color of the saree for the blouse. This is again for 3600 dear. Number 3, good quality cotton, is again the same Parsi embroidery. We have given lot of options this time. Small booties all throughout. They are hand embroidered ones. I'll try to show you the wrong side of the saree. Look at this. This is the hand embroidered sarees. 3600 for the saree with the blouse piece of the same color. Yeah, this is a long desired রেশম কোটা দেখাচ্ছি এবার। সুন্দর সুন্দর রেশম কোটা দেখুন, ভালো ভালো লাভলি কালার্স, বর্ডারিং করা হয়েছে অল থ্রু আউট। লাইনিং হ্যাজ বিন গিভেন, দেখুন প্রচুর সুন্দর লাগে, একটু একদম এমব্রয়ডারি গুলো হাইলাইট হয়ে গেছে। Look at this. Yeah, I thought we'll showing the wrong side. ঠিক আছে। And this is the blouse section. These are ari work. I'll show you again this saree. This is the blouse section, lovely smart blouse to highlight the saree. And look at the achal part. There's so many motifs and they're all ari work, ari embroidery, hand embroidery. This is going for 2800 with the small micas, 0 size micas all throughout. This is for 2800 dear. This is the orange one. Orange with this piping. It is such a beautiful contrast because of the blouse piece. The blouse piece is like this. It will just highlight the sari. Look at this contrast. এটার জন্যই শাড়িটা এত সুন্দর হয়ে গেছে। It's beautiful ari work sari. Resham kota ari work sari. The kota quality is also too good. The sari is going for 2800 dear. Yeah, it will beat the heat. Resham kota. Resham kota. Very comfortable. Summer friendly saris. Very light ash in color. Look at the Azrak blouse. We've given Azrak blouse for all these saris. And the bordering all throughout. Shoja hai darao, straight. Come to this. Yes, this is like this. Look at this embroidery. This is also ari work. And the second half of the sari is daman portion e kintu khub sundor embroidery kora hoyeche. Look at these embroideries. It's like this. And micas all throughout. This is for 2800 dear. 2800 for all my Resham kotas. Look at this soft color. Very soft color, soft texture. Resham kota is good to use for the summer. Very lightweight. There's similar type of pink blouse with this also. We have given blouse with this. Kashish blouse piece. All throughout the small booties are there at the aanchal. Excuse me. And the other half, lot of motifs. দেখুন নিচে প্রচুর মোটিভ দেয়া হয়েছে একটু উপরে তোলো look at this the motifs 2800 dear a very soft and beautiful color the color in Resham kota we get very good colors in Resham kota lovely ones texture is also happy texture very nice আমার তো রেশম কোটা নিজেরও খুব ভালো লাগে look at this এটা হচ্ছে রেশম কোটা I've given so many options this time রেশম কোটা প্রচুর অপশন দিলাম there will be lot is to be needed actually অনেক শাড়ির দরকার হয় and look at this to go with this orange this combination is good plenty of at the lower portion lot of motifs this is also for 2800 dear good sari for summer this is on Dhoni Khali cotton the number 9 the orange one which is a very popular one very popular design this is a Parsi Jali design own in-house product in-house design Parsi Jali design and the other half it's like this lot of embroideries a beautiful piece for 3400 Dhonekhali 100 count cotton, zari stripe ones. Motifs and the design we have already shown you. 3400 please. Number 10, the grand old Paisleys, my in-house design, grand old Paisleys. Thread and zari work to highlight a simple cotton sari. This sari has only 3 Paisleys. That's all. This sari costs 3100 please. All checkered one. Very smart. Only we have highlighted the aanchal part. 3100 please. Again the same kind. This is on a very premium quality cotton. We have given this wonderful paisley, different shaped. They are highly priced. The labor takes lot of money for this. This is done on the palla only, and we have given lot of small booties. They are all hand booties to highlight the sari. The color is beautiful. It will go for the color and the embroidery. This is for 3200. The quality of cotton makes the difference. 12 number shari dekho. Number 12. Full of work. So much of work. This is on a the same premium quality cotton, the best of cotton, and the lovely pink. They are all hand embroidered. The hand embroidery stuff. Very many small motifs, very many of them. Very pretty one for the summer. Reduce the heat. 4200 please. 4200 for this cotton, the white cotton one with this kind of aanchal. 4200. This is the beige one. Number 13. Look at this sari. This is the aanchal part, all motifs, a deeper color, motif করেছে, lot of motifs all throughout. দেখাও শাড়িটা. This is on fulia half tussar. Fulia half tussar sari. This is for 4200 again. 4200. My dear, these are machine ari. The previous one is hand ari. This is machine ari. The previous one, the white one, is also for 4200, but they're hand embroidery, and this is on half tussar. We are giving it for 4200. Yeah, I wanted to show you these two south cottons. It is that Ramdhanu color, short color, dual tone with green and purple, very unusual tone, with this aanchal, zari border. They are all from south, and it is for 1800 only for 1800. It's going for 1800 without BP. It's going for 1800. As it is a dual tone, the green with purple, and this is the purple golden aanchal. Number 15, good quality and you can just grab these two pieces. They are for 1800, going for 1800 only. The grey and the blue, golden achal and the border. This is for 1800. The South cottons are going for 1800. Yeah, these are the Gujarati stitches which has been freshly done up with the new color. Look at the achal portion. Very old design again. We named it Knawline design. This is on Gachi Toshor. All booties inside. Tone on tone work. Look at the neatness of the work. 9600. Perfectly done up. Look at the wrong side. That is also very neatly done. Very neat work. 9600. 9600 and very good quality. And it has a blouse also the same color. আরেকটা আছে 17 নম্বরটাও দেখুন. Again a wonderful piece. Look at this. Cream on cream. তসরের উপরে cream কালারের সুতো দিয়ে. They look very gorgeous when worn. খুবই ভালো লাগে এগুলো দেখো পরে. This is so nice. I feel like sleeping. খুব সুন্দর লাগে এগুলো পরলে. Look at this. So stylish. ভীষণ সুন্দর এগুলো. Very beautiful. This is going for 9600 dear. Look at this design all throughout. Lovely design. Very nice. And thick border. The broad border with 9 lines. We were naming it Knawline in Gujarati. When I started my work, তখন থেকে it was a very popular design. This is also an evergreen one. Evergreen one. This is the achal section. 9600. Number 18. Unusual tone. Number 18 is with the steel grey border. Deep, what do I call it? Chine badamir rong. It's like peanut color. Peanut, the skin of the peanut. Peel of the nut. 10,600 for this. এটা ঠিক চিনে বাদামের রং প্রায়. Look at this. Lot of work. গুজরাটি কাজ হয়েছে প্রচুর. Very beautiful and very neatly done up. দেখাও দিকটা দেখো. 10,600 please. 10,600. Look at the paisleys. All square motifs. Very precious one. প্রচুর কাজ হয়েছে, প্রচুর. The Kashmiri work. A decent one. Look at the workmanship. প্রচুর সুন্দর কাজ হয়েছে. All with multicolored thread. Very neat work. Look at the workmanship. Look at the narrow border. Look at the other half, and this is on Gachi Toshor. This is on Gachi Toshor. আরেকবার দেখাই, এটা খুব সুন্দর শাড়ি, ভালো করে দেখাই. This is like this. The single color. The saree, bend drape, so beautiful, very lavishly done up. এত কাজ করেছে, beautiful work. This is for 12,000. The saree is going for 12,000. All handwork, Kashmiri work on Gachi Toshor. I wanted to give you 2 kathas this time. Time to time I'll show you a lot of kathas. Ajke you can see number 20. This is number 20 on Gachi Toshor. Monotone color, single color diye kora hoyeche. Uniform stitching হয়েছে দেখুন, beautiful piece. And the partly part of the saree goes like this. This is for 9,600 dear. 9,600 for this Toshor Katha. 9,600 along with this kind of blouse section we have given. These are very traditional sarees, so you could use this piece also for the blouse piece. Very traditional. 9,600. And the last one, no, not yet the last. Number 21 is the best one. Very nice. Cream on cream, rare to get. Look at the workmanship. কাজ দেখুন. Look at the styling. And the tussar quality is Gachi Toshor. কাজটা অতি ভালো. Very densely done up. Cream and chrome. They look gorgeous. ভালো লাগে খুব. Tremendous সুন্দর লাগে. 12,500 দেবো এই শাড়ি. 12,500 for this piece. All artisans job. These are all labor oriented. That's the price speaks. Dignity of labor. 12,500. 12,500. And I'm giving this saree at a very low cost. This all over embroidery on green silk, which is Bishnupur silk and Katan. Look at this embroidery is machine embroidery, but it's very nicely done up. The whole saree, I wanted to show you the amount of labor and work, total work, totality you see. But I'm giving this saree for 5,800 with this kind of blouse piece. 5,800 is a super fine quality. Look at the design. এই তলার ডিজাইনটা দেখুন. আজ আমি 22 pieces শাড়ি দেখালাম আপনাদের. And that's all for the day. ওয়াচ করুন আর আপনার যেটা পছন্দ সেটা আমাদের স্ক্রিনশট পাঠান. I love to give you. ডেলিভারি কোনো প্রবলেম হবে না. আমাদের প্রপার ডেলিভারি হচ্ছে. And hope for the best. Thank you so much.